Is trade the new weapon? Our economy is the new artillery. That is what the US administration plans to try to end the war with Iran. But what will happen to markets after that? Hi, my name is Rakesh Khanna, and it's time for this week commodity forecast. Our weekly snapshot that includes commodity prices, global markets, and economic updates. If you are a commodity trader looking for a new opportunities in gold or crude oil, or even casually interested in commodity markets, then this video is a must watch for you. Let's begin with our commodities of the week. Gold and crude oil. And what is our view on the same? So first of all, the big news. Gold is looking bullish again. MCX gold futures consolidated at lower levels, recovering sharply, ending the week with the gains of 5.13%. The higher low formation, combined with an upward trend line breakout, signals a bullish trend in the short term. Wow, that is a sure sign of positive momentum in the coming sessions. It is approaching a resistance level at rupees 1,62,680, and a breakout above this level could trigger further upside towards rupees 1,65,440 and rupees 1,68,760 in near term. The immediate support is placed at rupees 1,61,450 and rupees 1,59,430 zone. However, any pullback or correction may be viewed as a buying opportunity. Broadly speaking, gold is all set to be on a bull run again. Now, what's going on with crude oil? Let's find out. Like gold, crude oil too witnessed consolidation within a symmetrical triangle. The prices are above the 20-day exponential moving average and 50-day exponential moving average levels, ending near rupees 8,359. So the good news is that any breakout above a resistance of rupees 8,400 could trigger a fresh upside towards rupees 8,700 and rupees 8,950 level. The immediate support is placed at rupees 7,980 and rupees 7,740 level. This bullish momentum is showing no signs of stopping. With these two A-listers of the commodity market on fire, this seemed like a solid week for everyone else too. Gold rose by 5.81% week on week. Silver rose by 6.98% week on week. The gold-silver ratio slipped by 1.10%. In base metals, zinc rose by 1.91% and nickel rose by 1.68%. So what's this week drama on the geopolitical stage? US Treasury Secretary Bessent is expected to hold a press conference on August 24 to announce White House plans regarding economic pressure on Iran, while adding that the Trump administration's plan to crush Iran's economy will likely negate the need for the US to wage major military operations. It will be worth watching to see if US will carry out this threat by targeting Iran's partner, including China, which is a major buyer of Iranian oil. The US imposed 50% tariff on around $20 billion of Canadian goods after negotiation between Washington and Ottawa collapsed on Friday. Canada subsequently announced dollar for dollar retaliatory tariff on US products effective September 8. For this week, watchlist there are ADP weekly, employment change, and initial jobless claim. So don't you think that this week commodities are looking exciting? Do you think that gold and crude oil will hold up in the coming sessions too? Share your thoughts in the comments below. To get more exclusive and in-depth coverage of gold, crude oil, and other commodities, access our research center only on WhatsApp. The link for the channel is in the description. Let's hope that next week there is even more exciting news for commodity traders. Thank you for watching.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.